So, hi guys, you probably read the title of this video, and yep, we are gonna be doing exactly that. I am gonna be showing you how to make a simple, easy helicopter, with the new Goop. Sorry I'm a little late to this update, but let's get to it! Yay! Okay, so, step 1. What you will need is the boom boxes, is optional. Wait, I can't put that on my back. Okay, so, you will need, a lot of Goop. Well, actually, 3 Goop, I'm pretty sure. So, let me show you. Let me just get the other supplies. So guys, hope you enjoy this video. I spend a lot of time making my videos. But that's my pet, by the way. Is that it? Okay, that's it. Except for my iPad. I just need an iPad. Let's get an iPad. Okay, an iPad. Okay. So what you guys are gonna want to do, put the box like this. Well, first, which way does this go? Okay. First, you want to take a fan. You will need a fan. Then get 1 Goop. Put it on this part. And then attach the box. Then that I won't need. Okay. So then guys, what you want to do the same thing over here. And then wait. Yep. Oh, I forgot to deactivate it. And then what you want to do, first you need to flip this over, obviously. This is not going well. Oh my, no, stop. Okay. So, like this. Then, like this. Oh, why is it not sticking? Why won't it stick? Okay. So this part won't stick for some reason. Let's just put that there. Let's get the boombox. Do that. For some reason, it won't connect. Okay, let me just add this Goop, back in, and this Goop. So what we want to do is we want to get that iPad and actually attach this iPad. It's gonna be too hard to get. What is going on? So what you guys want to do? The iPad right here. And then you want to fly. So yeah, you got your own little helicopter. Mine's working kind of bad. It should work, but so yeah. Hope you guys liked this tutorial, and bye.